Okay, I'm here with another challenge for you. In this challenge, I want you to make your tip calculator app more reliable. Um, because if you run this app, you will find out if the user forgets to enter the bill amount and press the calculate button, it will raise an exception. The reason is because of the edit text is empty. Try to resolve it by using an if expression. You can Google it and you can use queries like this. How to check edit text is empty or not in Kotlin. Do your best. Okay, let's find out the exception in the logcat. So run the application. Clear the logcat. And click on the calculate button while the bill edit text is empty. Okay, as you see, the title of exception is invalid int or number format exception invalid int. This exception means you can't convert an empty string to int. So we need an if expression here. We should say if the length of the text inside edit text bill amount is greater than 0, then calculate the total payment. So we need to cut and paste the code inside the if body. So now if the user enters, for example, 100 in the edit text bill, the length will be 3. So the condition is true and the code inside the if body will be executed. But if the user enters nothing in the edit text, the length will be 0. And 0 is not greater than 0, so the condition is not true. And the code inside the body, the code inside the if body will not be executed. So now our app is more reliable. As you see, if I click here without entering the bill amount, it doesn't raise any exception anymore. So now our app is more reliable. But it can be more user-friendly too. It's better to notify the user that he or she should enter a number to calculate the payment. Okay, so here we can have an else expression that displays a toast message. Here we need to press Alt, Enter, and then continue. When you press Alt, Enter, it imports android.widget.toast that is necessary to display a toast. The makeText function needs 3 parameters: an application context, a message to display to the user, and a toast length that is that could be short or long. Finally, we can show the toast. So this function, the makeText function, takes the current context, the message to display, and the toast duration that could be length long or length short. Let's run the app again and back to explain these parameters. So I run it again. And while the build edit text is empty, I click on the calculate button. As you see, when the edit text is empty, it shows a toast message. A toast is a transient message displayed on the screen for a short period of time. So when the edit text is empty, it displays a toast, and when the edit text is not empty, or in the other word, its length is greater than 0, it calculates the payment. Now let's talk about the makeText function. As you see, this function takes 3 parameters. The application context has some information about the current activity that is necessary to display a toast. In fact, the application context gives the current screen to display the message to the makeText function. In other words, it says to toast that, hey, you should appear in this activity, in this screen. And the other parameters are obvious. After creating a toast, we can show it by using the show function. Okay, now the tip calculator app is more reliable and more user-friendly.